Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip, izindaba zabantu. If you're someone who likes some gossip, this is definitely the channel for you. Guys, Facebook is out here changing people's lives. Like, Facebook is changing people's lives, guys. If you're not a content creator, Sana, what are you waiting for? Nami, what am I waiting for? Because I'm shy, guys. Facebook has people that we grew up from primary school, so it becomes a bit intimidating to be just posting there. But Facebook is out here changing people's life. Abo Maki, Zandile Tsonso, abo, like there are a lot of people that are making money off Facebook. And people are becoming full-time content creators, guys. Can you guys imagine that? So nowadays there's this comparison that is going on Facebook. Who is making how much? Who is making this money? Which one is the highest paid content creator on Facebook? Which is something that I don't know why people are making this an issue. Yes, you are getting paid what you are getting paid, but it's your business. It's about the likes of about Maki, the strapper queen, about Zandi Letonzo. They are posting their paychecks just to encourage us. You guys can also do this. You guys can do this thing like Ileta Imali and so forth. Now people are taking those paychecks to compare. Mikey is the highest paid. And then others are coming, no, you guys are lying. Tonto is the highest paid. Zanile Tonto has just bought a 1 million rands car. She is the highest paid in South Africa. Like, what's that competition about, guys? Why are we even comparing? you know because I really don't know why we are comparing. If you are doing that, just keep doing that. And Lumaki was just posting to just encourage us, not that she was posting on Facebook ukuthi, yimi. Now people are saying no, Umaki wenza kancane. Zandile Tsonso is the highest paid. Zandile Tsonso has a 1 million rands car. Guys, first of all, our priorities are not the same. It might happen that Zandi Letonto's priority was a car. She doesn't have any responsibilities. She doesn't have to rebuild any houses and so forth. Umaki, she was building her kitchen. She bought two cars. Even if those cars were not 1 million rands, but responsibilities are not the same. So just because someone bought a 1 million rands car, now they are the highest paid in Tonton. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. Why are we even comparing? Because these people are going to end up fighting by themselves. We should just be encouraged. So Umaki went to Facebook fuming. She posted there, Uguti, guys, please stop it. Stop comparing me and other content creators. Uguti, who's the highest paid, who's the Ntoni. Stop it, guys. And the futhi, they were saying ukuthi Zandi Letonzo is the highest paid ama fans of Facebook. But then Maki corrected ukuthi mina my highest paycheck was 187,000 rands. And then Uzandi Letonzo, I think it's 165. So you can just see the difference. But because priorities are not the same, and it could happen ukuthi Zandi Letonzo has been saving for that car, and then when she got the Facebook paycheck, seller and just bought a new car. So now Maki is fuming ukuthi, guys, stop comparing me. Like, I am me and she is her. So hey, Sana, we just need to get inspired, maybe start making content. And I know I need to see my content creators, okay, guys, in abantu bayo, but we should also stop comparing. It's not a good thing. It's making them fight, and it's making us look like bad people also. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.